My name is Mark Sadler. So you and Nadi Mark Sadler, my name Mark Sadler. My business, Bundyi Cultural Tours, has been operating for some years now. What you see is what you get from me, and I'll give you a 100% truly genuine experience, and it comes from 80,000 years of my people teaching me to be able to Bundyi share with people today.
Haven't been to Lockhart before, so it's a good opportunity to understand a little bit more about the Indigenous culture and to understand the culturally significant sites around the area.
I found it so exciting to learn about such an ancient culture that I had no knowledge about before. I've never experienced anything like this before in New South Wales.
Well, it's so hands-on. It's a new level of learning. You get to understand a little bit about the Wiradjuri language. Such a great experience. You can go to a museum, but you'll forget half of what you've seen. But if you're actually doing and seeing and experiencing it, it's a whole new level.
To educate people about Wiradjuri culture, I need to have them out here on country. And if you come on our journey, on our Muluru, we can show you places that you walk every day and you'll never know what you walk on or what you pass. But with our help, we can guide you through those things, and you may go to a place where you feel a bit special and you don't know why. And non-Aboriginal people can feel the same way as us because we're all connected to Guni Nurrumbun, Mother Country. So our tours help people in reconciliation to understand that and try and hold some traditions that are very, very close to us.
If you've never actually been out into New South Wales, this is a fantastic way to see it, but you'll be seeing it with different eyes, and it's something that you'll take away forever.